So when you're connecting your Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix to a computer or something that look like a computer, you're gonna get this screen, and on your computer you may have the screen of your Garmin watch showing up to transfer files into it or from it. Well, the downside of it is that when it is into that mode, you can't do anything. So if you want to do something while it is connected to a computer because you want to do an activity, which would be kind of weird if it is connected to a computer, but anyway, let's disconnect it and wait for the screen to come back to normal. So you can press and hold the menu button and then press it one time to go on system, and then select just right here, and then go down to USB mode, and you can change it to Garmin, and basically this one will prompt you the option to choose what you want to do. So if I reconnect it, now it asks me if I want to transfer files on it. If I say yes, it will come back to the same screen as it was before. If I say no, well, I come back to the main page, and now if I want, I can start an activity while it is connected. I don't know why you would want to do it, but you can. So yeah, that's basically it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.